Hey everyone, happy Self Love Sunday. So, we are going to do a check in today. So, get into a comfortable position and just place a hand over your heart or two hands. And take a deep inhale through your nose and sigh it out. Take another deep breath in and sigh it out. And just keep inhaling and exhaling, releasing the tension. With every breath, just relaxing even further. And then begin to go within. Bring your focus within the center of the heart. Into the center of the spiritual heart. And check in with yourself. Have you been giving yourself the love, the respect that you need? Have you been listening to yourself, to your body, to your emotions? What is happening on the inside? Just listen deeply. What's there at the center of the heart that you need to hear or listen to? Maybe you have been doing so many things that you haven't allowed yourself to rest or replenish, giving away your energy rather than giving it back to yourself. And listening to when you need it, when you need to nourish yourself. And take this time right now to give yourself the nourishment, the love, the care that you need. That means just being present, then do that. If it means releasing or letting go of things to the universe, then do that. And if you have a hard time letting go, then just allow yourself little by little to trust that everything will work out for the highest good. Just letting go a little bit at a time. And just allow that burden, those burdens to fall away. And just love on yourself right now in this moment. Now you can stay here as long as you need to. And whenever you are ready, just bring your awareness back into your body and slowly begin to come back into this moment. Thank you for being here. Namaste.